Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lannie if you are new here. So y'all, I finally decided to try Crumbl cookie. Of course, we've all seen this place all over the internet, and I found that they have one in Jacksonville, not too far from me. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and give it a try. It's a cute little spot. They greeted me with a hello as soon as I walked in and told me he didn't mind me recording. He's like, is this for YouTube? I said, yes. He was like, okay, I don't mind you recording. He also told me that they changed their flavors every Monday, which I found interesting and actually really smart. It's going to keep people invested. It's going to keep people wanting to come back to see what new interesting flavors that they have on hand. So I ended up getting a total of 6 cookies. Plus tip, this is how much I spent, and this is how the cookies are looking. They actually look really delicious, and they are huge, y'all. They are so big. They are definitely the perfect size to share amongst friends and family. Okay y'all, so I am finally back home and I am ready to try these cookies out. So let's see how they looking. They look really good. These are some huge cookies. Okay, I don't know which one I'm just gonna go in order. How about that? So let's make this easy. I'm gonna cut them. So, this is how it looks. Looks very cakey, which I don't mind. Okay, so let's give this one a try. I like this. Although I'm not a fan of pumpkin, like pumpkin pie, I love like pumpkin spice and pumpkin flavor things, but this is really good. I guess on a scale from 1 to 10, I would definitely give this a 9. I really like this. 9.5 actually. This is really good. I'm not gonna get the Tootsie Roll part, but this is how it looks. Looks super rich and thick. Okay, so let's try this. So it is very rich, but not as rich as I thought it would be. It's not too chocolatey, and I can taste like the malt flavor. And it's not overly sweet. I thought it would be like super sweet just by the looks of it, but it's not. That was really tasty as well. I think my daughter would definitely love that one. She loves chocolate. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give that one a solid 7. I would give it a solid 7. My daughter is gonna devour that. And my husband loves chocolate too. I forgot to mention, like, this one is you can taste the spices in this pumpkin one. I love the peppery spiciness of like pumpkin spice. So yeah, this one I'm probably gonna eat that whole cookie. So again, very thick cookie. So I asked the guy who worked there, like, what is the flavor profile of this cookie? He said it should taste like kind of like mint chocolate chip. I smell a little bit of mint, so let's give it a try. I really like this one too, you guys. It doesn't have like a strong punch of a mint flavor. You can definitely taste the mint and the frosting. On a scale from 1 to 10, I will give this one, I would give it a 6.5. Not bad. And it looks, looks like a sugar cookie with the pink icing on the top. I don't like the icing at all. The icing is very sweet, like overly sweet. The actual sugar cookie is good though, but that that icing is a no. The icing kind of brings the cookie down, in my opinion, which is unfortunate. So on a scale from 1 to 10, because the cookie is good, I'll give it a 2. But the icing is not good in my opinion. So this is how it looks. Super thick chocolate chip cookie. It tastes like a chocolate chip cookie. On a scale from 1 to 10, I would probably give it a 6. Yeah, I'll probably give it a 6. It's good, it's decent. Well, let's cut this one. I hope this one is good because I was really excited about this one in particular. So it has a lot of icing on it though. So this is how it looks. And my kids are lurking in the background. They think I don't hear them, but I do.
Yeah. Hello, everybody.
The icing is not as sweet. It's more like a cheesecakey kind of taste to it. It's not like the pink icing on this cookie, or even the icing on this cookie doesn't have that texture or that flavor. It's more like a cream cheese texture and taste to it. It's really good. It's not overly sweet. I love the caramel drizzle. I love caramel. Like, that's one of my favorite flavors. My daughter started playing music in the background and I didn't want to risk getting a strike, but I was just saying that this cookie is really good and I give it an 8.5. I think this one is my favorite. This one was really good, and like I said, I'm probably going to eat this whole cookie. My least favorite is the sugar cookie with the pink icing. So this is my first time trying Crumbl cookie, and I actually really like it. I guess it's all like personal preference. If you are not a fan of like cakey, really soft cookies, then you might not like Crumbl cookie. Thick cookies, you may not like Crumbl cookie, but I actually find them really good. Definitely a good first impression for me. Would I go back? Absolutely. I know they change their flavors every week, so yeah, I would love to see what other flavors that they have in store and see if I like them as much as I like the cookies that I tried here for you guys. So let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried a Crumbl cookie. What flavors did you have? What flavors did you really like, and which one was an absolute no? I thank you guys so much for clicking and watching as always. I love y'all, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.